Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Tony Abs, exercise fitness marketer, aka Mr. Diamond Boy, aka I'm trying to help you get your money up, and all that other AKAs, whatever they have on there. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm putting you onto something new that one of my brothers put together, man. Good brother. I learned a lot from him. I'm still learning, you know what I mean, as we keep growing. You know what I mean? The boy's growing and fast, and a lot of content's coming from one of my friends, the Belcher, man, aka Mr. Brandon. And today I'm just doing something, elaborating off something that he shared, and something that new software that can eventually make you a couple of dollars every month, up to maybe $2 to $5 a day, depending on how hungry you are and how serious you are and how open-minded you are to learn and try new things. You know what I mean? There's a lot of programs out there, a lot of software, a lot of stuff that people is not getting paid with. And today I'm going to tell you about a software that can most definitely hook you up. Let me get rid of this because I'm gonna start it over on to teach you this, show you how to do this, baby. Well, anyway, I'm going up here to new shorten link, and what we're going to do is this is called hustle.im. Hustle.im. This is a program. It's a site where you could come and take any link from anywhere, websites, blogs, and most definitely viral videos. You want to go wherever viral is, where people can click onto this. And what it is, you're going to take the content of what you get and you're going to put it over here on this platform, this great, super amazing platform that Brandon had created. And you're going to shorten the link, and you're going to be able to share this throughout, you know, Facebook, wherever you want to share it. I'm pretty sure that even on Instagram and, you know, maybe Craigslist. People still do that on Craigslist, but Craigslist, you know, I still make money on there, but I have to yet to try this on there, but I bet you I will. Here we go. Now, as for the fact is that you're shortening the link. You're basically going to shorten the link and get paid for it. This is one of them pay-per-click things. And as I can see this being like one of them things where at the end of the month, you know, you're paying off maybe your car insurance or something like that, or maybe your cell phone bill, just to begin with, you know what I mean? But imagine if you have a video go super viral and you're getting paid for every time someone click onto that video, and you're every within a certain amount of content, right there, you're already going to start making some good money. So let's just go into this. I found something really awesome. I went to a viral video, and this is viralvideos.com. You can jump on this if you want, you know what I mean, whatever it is. I have 100 different hustles, but this is just one of them. I'm trying to put you on so you can be able to step your game up. Okay, this video I found right here, as I went to it was the first video that popped up, and it says the dot, a surf viral video you won't believe. You know what I mean? So that right there is already awesome. If you already come down here, we can take a little glance and look at the video. I'm not going to play it that long, but just to kind of give you what everyone else is seeing. Here they are. Everybody's going on ham. You hear the music. Everybody's going crazy. They're all surfed up. Look, that's amazing. It's hot. A board in the middle of the water that allows people just to get off from the board in the middle of the water and go super surfing. Look at that. He's jumping it up. This is what I'm talking about now. That is a hot viral video. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's stop it. I'm not going to be wasting your time. I just want you to see why I guess that went viral, and you could have your own viral video going everywhere else. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the Google search bar, and I'm going to copy this link. Boom. And so I'm copying that link, then I'm going to come over here to this amazing platform, this super amazing platform, this hustle.im platform. Then I'm going to go up here. You see, if you just started and you just opened your page, you can hit new shorten link. And then right here, you can push your URL. Here you go. And what I'm going to do is take that video, that link, and I'm going to paste it here, right? And then I'm going to come right under there, and it says shorten. I'm going to hit shorten. Boom. And so that long link turns into this. Now over here, after you get that link, you're going to come over to your right-hand side, and you're going to see copy. So you want to copy that. Okay, it says copy. Let's make sure it went there. We already got it copied. Then we're going to come up here into my Facebook, right? Let's jump on my Facebook. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, I already have a video that I already went from Instagram from Ty Lopez, my 99-year-old bad grandma. You know, I don't like to hit you with the content. Kids watch this stuff, but you know, I try to keep my mouth clean. But anyway, up here you can see the hustle.im. That's connected to this. I connected that from Instagram, and now I put under here amazing. I'm probably gonna, matter of fact, edit that post and be like, just right in front of you, just so I can give it a little bit more power. Amazing. With Ty Lopez. Grandmother said. Okay. Well, Ty Lopez does with his grandmother on Instagram. There we go. Now let's post that. Come down here and post it. I'm gonna save that. I just souped it up a little bit. It doesn't really matter. And at the same time, you could probably put your links under there. But we're gonna come over here, back here, and we're gonna paste. Boom. And look, the hustle.im link popped up. Look at that right there. So every time someone comes onto my video, when they pop onto my video on my Facebook, as I try to make it go viral, and if I find any content, just share it and put it on different platforms. There's a billion different Facebook groups, a billion different ones. Look, there's a Facebook group and everything, and you can just find the niche that people are looking for. Go find a viral video for it, and then be able to share it with an automated system. If you have an automated system. Now look, I have the hustle.im, my link right under there. And so I'm going to roll with the punches of what the video already said. It says surf viral video you won't believe. And so I'm going to come over here and put, wow. Excuse my arm rain. Wow. I can't believe it. I really can't believe they did that. I'm gonna hit it with the extra Y. You gotta see this video. Okay, now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit the post. I'm posting that video right now as we're speaking. Now, it still has, as you can see, it still has viralvideos.com, but on top we have our link. You know what I mean? That when people want to come over here, they want to check the link out or whatever it is. So we're going to go right here. We're going to hit the link, the hustle.im. They're going to go right here. Once they get here to see that video, they're going to hit click to continue. All right. And then as you can see, it's 3 seconds. That is the countdown. Your link is almost ready. And now they're sitting there waiting for a link. Now, this is the catch, though. You know, this is how, you know, Brandon's going to get his money, because under here, he's going to have this link that is a part of him making some money, too. And you can hit view link. And actually, it would take you over to Brandon's you know, his video or whatever, his affiliate link or whatever he has there. But you can just click out of this and look, it'll take you right back to where the person can see the video, because most people are not going to want it or they're going to accept it. Either way, after the 3 seconds, you get paid. Either way, right after the 3 seconds, you're going to make income. And now it's back right here to where people can find the content that they're looking for. Now, what I want to do is show you something that I found is very wonderful, very amazing. Is that, okay, if you have multiple links, you could come under here to manage links. And right under here, if you want to get your money, you can withdraw. I believe he said it's up to $5. You have to make $5 and then to be able to withdraw it. But if I was you, I'd just let that build up on the side and just let it keep building up. And now I'm gonna come over here. My favorite thing is referrals. I love referral codes. Look, the hustle.im referral program is a great tool to spread the word and get great service to earn money and earn money online with your short links. Refer your friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life. And I'm referring you, so whatever you want to do, however it is, if you want to, you know, step on this hey, it's a good way for you to get referred and for you to be able to make your own income too. I'm pushing this out there right now. It's one of the things next to Builderall I think is very powerful. Besides the social media, a software that he has that allows you to put your software, put all your links and all your posts on viral, connecting with people that I'm still trying to work that system out myself, and I'm learning, but I'm giving you what I learned so that you can grow to be able to make money with me so we can grow together. As you come under here, this is your hustle.im referral link. And then all you have to do is when people ask you, you got something to do, if you want to make money, share this with the groups. And then when people hook this up, they'll sign on to it, they'll come through your link, whatever it is, and there you go, boom, step your game up. You know what I mean? I hope this content was good for you. I hope this information will help change your life, and I at least give you something to hold on to start making money right away. And if you have any questions, please hit the comment underneath. If you feel I'm giving you good information, and I know I could be better at what I'm doing, but believe me, I'm giving you what I can do, and I'm growing to know, and I want you to live to learn. Tony As, if you are looking for a program, my #1 recommended program is right under here. Check that link. If not, inbox me, Tony, I went in, and I got you, yo. That's the way it is. Tony As, exercise fitness marketer, AKA Mr. Diamond Boy, AKA I'm trying to keep your game up, AKA I'm just trying to do what I got to do the best for you. Live and learn. Live and laugh and maintain prosper. All right, y'all. Peace. I'm out. You.